Should teenagers be allowed to vote in elections? The right to vote is one of the most important responsibilities of a citizen in a democratic country. However, the questions of whether teenagers should be allowed to vote continues to spark debate. Some believe the young people lack maturity and experience to make informed decisions, while others argue that they are capable of deserve a voice in shaping their nation's future. In my view, teenagers should be allowed to vote because they are more informed than ever, directly affected by government policies, and their participation can strengthen democracy. First, today's teenagers are more politically aware and educated than the past generations with the rise of technology, social media, and accessibility news sources that young people are constantly exposed to political issues and public debates. School can provide civic education, helping students understand how laws are made. If teenagers are old enough to drive, work, and even pay taxes, then they have rights to vote who vote who they want. Granting them the right vote would recognize their growing role as informed and responsible members of society. Second, teenagers are directly affected by the decisions made by elected officials, policies, policies and education. The environment, public safety, and employment all have a long-term effects on their lives. For instance, climate change laws will determine the kind of world they will inherit. The education funding decisions will shape their learning opportunities. Denying them the right to vote ignores the fact that they will live the longest with the consequences of today's political choices. Critics often argue that teenagers are too emotional and immature to vote responsibly. While it is true that some young people may lack experience, age does not always determine one's ability to make sound decisions. Many adults also vote without being fully informed or rational. In fact, encouraging teenagers to participate in elections can teach them responsibility and critical thinking. By encouraging them in the democratic process, early society helps them become more thoughtful and active citizens. Lastly, allowing teenagers to vote would strengthen democracy itself. When young people are given the opportunity to express their opinions, voting encourages lifelong civic and participation. It would also push government to pay more attention to youth issues, leading to more inclusive and forward-thinking policies. A democracy thrives when all voices, especially those of the younger generations, are heard and respected. In conclusion, teenagers should be allowed to vote in elections because they are informed, impacted by the political decisions, and the essentials to the health of democracy. Their participation would not only empower them but also help them create that truly represent all citizens and young old alike. Allowing teenagers to vote is not just a political reform. It is a step forward to a more just and participatory future. Thank you.